Hello and welcome to Walk the Talk. I am Shekhar Gupta in the heart of Lutyens, Delhi. To my right is one Safdarjung, Indira Gandhi Memorial, where she used to live. In my front is 7 RCR, and I am standing in the home of the senior-most member of the Modi cabinet. But not just that, a real guru of Hindi heartland politics, but also a shishya of Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji.
शेखर जी,
Kalraj
you
Mishra
have
ji,
ignored
आपका बस
view about me.
except your portfolio, I have said everything.
I appreciate it, and so far as Atalji is concerned, Atalji is a great leader. He is not leader of only Kalraj Mishra, but he is the leader of not only the country, he is the leader of international world. When he was the Prime Minister, so many countries were expressing their views that Atalji is the symbol of the peace. So, due to Atalji's behavior, so many great persons were inspired.
Do you,
And so far as
do you remember any stories about Atal ji? कभी डांट लगाई हो आपको? कभी कभी प्यार के बताएं.
I remember.
Tell us some.
When he toured in Uttar Pradesh, that time I was present there also, and for the first time I was the organizing secretary of the Eastern UP, and Atalji's tour was there. I was very much pained with my stomach.
अच्छा.
And I didn't express my pain to before anybody. Atalji knew. That time Atalji
Rebuked you.
yeah. And he told, why are you bearing this? You don't come with me. And you should take rest here. I told, you are here. How should I take rest? I remember it.
You were
as the fatherly treatment of Atal.
you were his closest aide in UP.
You may say.
What did Atal ji say to you when you resigned in 2002?
Atalji, Advaniji and Janakrishnamurti, all of them didn't express good thing about me.
Did they shout at you?
they told me that it should have not been resigned because they were thinking about me in future for something else. And therefore...
I can say that something else was Chief Minister of UP.
I don't say.
So, sir, do you think you missed that opportunity to be Chief Minister of UP?
I may say.
You may say.
Yeah.
And it was that 2002 mistake or something else?
I can say that was the mistake.
That was a mistake. And if you had not done it, maybe party
because so many leaders of our party misquoted me.
Right.
And the idea was made among our leaders that I have done some indisciplined behavior.
I think there was suspicion that you were attending meetings with Mayawati.
It should not be there. Because Mayawati, Mulayam Singh ji and other leaders of the Congress also very much nearer to me. And they also give benefit whenever I want to.
So, sir, I can say that if you had not taken that decision in 2002, BJP would not have declined, in your view, as rapidly as it did.
I think so.
I think one is your situation, and second is Kalyan Singh going in and out.
It is upon the Kalyan Singh ji's own behavior.
Right.
And he should not have resigned from the party, and he should have not been spoken about Atalji like that.
But sir, one thing happened. By going to Mulayam Singh, he did one thing for BJP. He weakened Mulayam Singh Yadav, at least at that time.
Yes.
He destroyed him in that election.
Yes. It is proper whatsoever you are expressing your view about that situation.
आप माने या ना माने, मेरे ख्याल आप मानेंगे क्योंकि आप बड़े वरिष्ठ नेता हैं कि 73 सीटें जो भी आई पिछले साल, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आपको यूपी के राज्य के चुनावों में भी वही सीटें आ जाएंगी. यूपी के राज्य में कुछ और करना पड़ेगा.
शेखर जी, मैं इतना कह सकता हूं कि जो 73 सीटें उत्तर प्रदेश के अंदर आई, इसका अर्थ तो इतना जरूर हो गया कि आम जनता को लगा कि कोई प्रभावी काम कर सकता है.
वो नरेंद्र मोदी के लिए
नहीं, एक मिनट. कोई प्रभावी काम कर सकता है तो एक नेतृत्व के रूप में जिसने गुजरात में अनेक प्रकार के कठिनाइयों का सामना किया, लेकिन गुजरात का विकास किया, वही प्रभावी तौर पर देश को नेतृत्व भी दे सकता है। और साथ ही साथ जो उसकी पार्टी है, उस पार्टी भी उसी दिशा में विचार करती है, जो काम करती है। पार्टी और नेतृत्व दोनों का समुचित सामंजस्य और दोनों के प्रति विश्वसनीयता का भाव जनता ने व्यक्त किया है। और इसका अर्थ यह है कि जनता के मन के अंदर लगता है कि मोदी या बीजेपी का नेता, और बीजेपी एनडीए यही आगे बढ़ सकता है।
कौन नेता होगा यूपी में इस बार?
हमारे यहां जो काम करने की पद्धति है, सामूहिक नेतृत्व के आधार पर है। जब सामूहिक नेतृत्व के आधार पर है, तो सामूहिक नेतृत्व के आधार पर चुनाव लड़ा जाएगा, और फिर जो काम करने की हमारी प्रक्रिया है, हमारा नेतृत्व, हमारा पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड उस दिशा में निर्णय लेगा कि कौन नेता होगा।
लेकिन कलराज जी ये बताएं कि 1992 में जैसे हुआ, वो ठीक हुआ या गलत हुआ? वो अवॉइडेबल था? उससे कड़वाहट आई?
देखिए, उस समय की परिस्थिति भिन्न प्रकार की थी। उस समय इतनी जबरदस्त भीड़ थी।
तो क्या अटल जी बहुत
एक मिनट भीड़ थी, और किसी भी प्रकार की ऐसी कोई योजना ही नहीं थी कि कोई इसको ध्वस्त कराया जाए। ईमानदारी की बात तो ये थी कि एक सामूहिक एकत्रीकरण के आधार पर सरकार के ऊपर दबाव डाला जाए कि यहां मंदिर का निर्माण हो। और लेकिन उस समय की सरकार ने कार सेवकों के ऊपर जो लाठीचार्ज किया, लोगों को रोका, जाने नहीं दिया, उसकी एक प्रतिक्रिया जरूर हुई, और उस प्रतिक्रिया का ये परिणाम हुआ जो मैं समझता हूं कि आज का स्वरूप निर्माण किया है। लेकिन कोई योजना बनाकर किसी ने किया ऐसा
आपका कहना है। लेकिन आप उस बात से खुश हुए, अच्छा हुआ, या अटल जी की तरह आप भी नाराज हुए?
व्यक्तिगत रूप से उससे प्रसन्न नहीं हुए।
लेकिन आप ये बताएं कि कुछ बातें ऐसी हैं जिससे लोगों पे असर हुआ है, खास करके गांव के इलाके, जैसे कि ये लैंड एक्विजिशन बिल है, ये किसी और तरीके से लाया जा सकता था अध्यादेश की बजाय?
देखिए, सही बात तो ये है कि भूमि अधिग्रहण कानून 1894 का
बदलना है।
ये बदलना चाहिए था बहुत पहले, नहीं हुआ। 2013 में ये कानून बना, उसमें सबसे परामर्श लिया गया, हमारे लोगों ने भी परामर्श दिया था। 2013 के कानून बन जाने के बाद बीजेपी का भी समर्थन था, हमारे वरिष्ठ नेताओं ने समर्थन दिया था, और बड़े बढ़-चढ़ करके दिया था। उसके बाद जो उसके परिणाम स्वरूप कुछ कठिनाइयां आई, और जिसके बारे में स्वयं मुख्यमंत्रियों ने भी, राजनेताओं ने भी जिक्र किया, तो स्वाभाविक है कि हमारी सरकार आ जाने के बाद उनकी सारी शिकायतों को ध्यान में रखते हुए संशोधन हम करें, और ऐसा कानून बनाएं जिसके कारण ग्रामीण भी लाभान्वित हो सके, लोग भी लाभान्वित हो सके। यही सोचकर ये भूमि अधिग्रहण कानून बनाया गया। पद्धति के आधार पर काम
आपको कभी ये लगता है कि पार्टी ये दिखा रही है कि उसे मेरी जरूरत नहीं है यूपी में?
जो नेतृत्व होता है उसके ऊपर निर्भर करता है।
नहीं, अभी आपको कभी ऐसे लगता है?
हाँ, लगता है।
और ये बदलना चाहिए।
ये बदलने के लिए हमने सुझाव भी दिया है जी। और बदलना तो बहुत आवश्यक है। बगैर इसके बदले हुए जो हम सफलता की उम्मीद करते नहीं प्राप्त होगी।
क्योंकि वो 73 इसमें
नहीं, वो 73 उसका छोड़ दीजिए, क्योंकि राजनीतिक परिस्थितियां, चुनावी परिस्थितियां भिन्न होती हैं। लेकिन ये एक चीज ऐसी है कि अगर किसी भी कार्यकर्ता और किसी भी वरिष्ठ व्यक्ति के मन के अंदर ये बात आ गई कि मेरी उपेक्षा हो रही है, तो आधी ताकत उसी वहीं खत्म हो जाती है। और जो लोगों को प्रेरित करना चाहता है नहीं कर सकता, क्योंकि उसकी ताकत ही नहीं है। अरे जाने दो, जैसा भी हो रहा है। ये अगर भाव पैदा हो गया तो बड़ा खतरनाक। और इसको खत्म करना चाहिए, ये नेतृत्व के द्वारा ही खत्म हो सकता है।
तो ये आपके,
इसलिए मैं
अमित जी को
ये नेतृत्व के लिए भी
अमित जी को सलाह है,
उत्तर प्रदेश के लिए नेतृत्व को सलाह है, और जहां भी ये घटनाएं घटित हो रही हैं सबके लिए है। अमित जी के बारे में कहना चाहूंगा, अमित शाह एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व के धनी है,
बहुत डायनामिक है,
प्रधानमंत्री जी के साथ सीधा सीधा संबंध, और एक सामंजस्य पैदा करते हैं सरकार और संगठन। क्योंकि ऐसे समय में सरकार और संगठन का समन्वय नहीं होता है, और उस समन्वय के अभाव में बड़ी परेशानी पैदा हो जाती है। अमित शाह जी एक ऐसे व्यक्तित्व के धनी हैं, सरकार और संगठन के अंतर्गत समुचित रूप से सामंजस्य स्थापित करते हुए चल रहे हैं। ये बात सही है कि कई जगह से चीजें आती है, कार्य की व्यस्तता के कारण जैसा कम्युनिकेशन होना चाहिए नहीं हो पाता है, और बढ़े, ये मैं आग्रह करूंगा। लेकिन अमित शाह जी के व्यक्तित्व और उनके कार्य को देखते हुए मुझे लगता है उनके स्वभाव में, ये स्वभाव ये चीज है कि बहुत अधिक मिलने वाला हिसाब नहीं रहता है। इस स्वभाव की कमी जरूर है, लेकिन उनके नियत, उनका काम करने का
लेकिन
तरीका
स्वभाव
बड़ी उपयुक्त है।
ये
और
स्वभाव-
इसलिए अमित शाह जी क्रमशः उस स्वभाव में बदल करते जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा।
और आपस में मिलने जुलने की प्रक्रिया को तेज करते जा रहे हैं।
और-
और जैसे आपने सुना होगा कि कार्यालय पर सोमवार को बैठने का
हाँ।
होता है, तो वो इस बात को प्रकट
और
करता है
आपका-
कि उनको ये पता है कि ये लोगों को जानकारी हो रही है, तो उसमें कमी हो, इस बात को ध्यान में रखकर ही उन्होंने काम करना शुरू
आपका
किया।
गुरु मंत्र होगा कि इसको और बढ़ाएं।
हमारा मंत्र नहीं, वो भी अनुभवी हैं,
हाँ,
सब
कि-
अनुभव
कि
करते
इस
हैं।
बात को और बढ़ाएं।
उसको अधिक से अधिक जितना भी हमारा संवाद लोगों से बढ़ेगा, जितना मिलने जुलने का क्रम चालू होगा, इनफॉर्मल मीटिंग्स होगी, उतना ही संगठन ताकतवर होगा, उतने ही आम जनता को हम प्रभावित कर सकेंगे। ये मैं अच्छी तरह से समझता हूं।
तीसरा-
इसको आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए, ये हमारा जरूर
तीसरा-
आग्रह लोगों से।
Kalraj ji, your English is so good that you and I should not have an excuse, so I'm switching back to English.
Yeah.
Now, if you were to give advice, put on your senior hat, not a cabinet member, but a senior hat. What advice will you have for the Prime Minister who's much younger than you?
The Prime Minister is Prime Minister, and I am working under him. Therefore, I always respect him as the great and dynamic Prime Minister of the India, and I have full respect about him.
Definitely, but as,
And-
as,
and-
as a senior, as an elder.
No, no, as elder, it doesn't arise the question of elder when I am working under him and under his cabinet minister. Therefore, but when soever I feel that this session should be given to Prime Minister, I always take
What-
time with,
what is it
and try to advise him.
What is it that he should learn from Mr. Vajpayee?
Both personalities are quite different. Vajpayee is the great leader, broad-hearted man, and everyone is in his heart. And Modi ji is very dynamic personality. He always struggled against the calamities, against so many difficulties, against the injustice, and those mindset has been created in his mind, and therefore, and other thing is, before Modi ji, poor people are there. His vision towards the villages, poor people,
Is very strong.
and youth, and he is planning the economic program, other social programs, centralizing these
So, sir,
poor and
Sir, if I may understand
youth.
it correctly, because he was under so much pressure, he has faced calamities in his state.
Yeah, yeah.
He has been under campaigns, visa denial, what you call as all kinds of other pressures, and what you call as injustices. Has that created some little bit of anger in his mind, or little bit of siege,
देखिए,
जिसको हम siege mentality कहते हैं इंग्लिश में?
all the person has its own natural nature.
Right.
He has also the same. From very beginning, his
Well-
sanskar he has gained. According to that, he has brought up himself.
And what can he learn
Well-
from? What can he learn from Mr. Advani?
And Advani is very intellectual. And you may say that Advani ji is the symbol of ideology also.
Right.
And Modi ji and other like me workers also have learned from Advani ji, from Joshi ji, from Atal ji.
You think the
From
Prime,
others.
Prime Minister should not get upset about Dr. Joshi's statements on Ganga River?
He is not getting upset, I think.
He should not.
No, no, he will not. Because Joshi ji also likes Modi ji very much.
Sir, is there a shift in your party from an upper caste leadership to now a middle caste or lower caste leadership?
Now we are trying to develop the leader of all the section of the society.
Society. That's a change.
Yeah, yeah. And because we are trying that the people of all the section should feel this party is really as like my family.
So it's not fair to say anymore that BJP is a party of the Brahmins
No, no, not at all.
or led
Not
by
at all.
Brahmins.
No, no, not at
Not
all.
at all. Not at all. If I ask you, okay, what is your advice to RSS, you will say RSS is the supreme guru. How can advice to them?
RSS is the center of inspiration.
Right. So,
And we always inspire from
so
the
your
RSS.
advice to what is
Yes.
called as fringe elements, Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Bajrang Dal,
They have got their own responsibility in their field.
Because they
And
hit headlines all the time.
Therefore, when they feel that something which they want to do are not being done, then they used to express their view. That should be in the forum. I advise only this, that should be in the forum. The view should be expressed in the forum.
not outside.
Forum, yes. Forum, always forum is to sit together.
Like, sir, it is one thing for fringe elements, but when you have members of your Council of Ministers, Sadhvi Jyoti, who's much younger than you, I am sure she listens to you also. How do you explain that and what do you tell her?
She is very pious lady, and she has been elected the member of parliament from Fatehpur.
But sir, she can't
And
call...
she
if I-
belongs to backward
Sir,
family.
if I don't vote for your
Uh,
party,
uh.
she can't call me a haramzada.
No, no. In Bundelkhand, this is the, you may say, continuous process to say something.
You mean
like
it's a-
Haramjada, like thing. From that context,
You think it's like...
she has
like,
come from that circumstances. Therefore, she expressed here the same thing. She,
It's like-
she didn't understand that what will be the.
So did you ask her?
Yeah.
Did you ask her?
Yes. I
So
asked
what
her.
did she say?
She only told this, which I am telling you.
Bataiye, what did she say?
वही कहा कि वहाँ ऐसा बोला जाता है, हमने सोचा ये बोले.
So it's like terms of endearment. I'm glad.
But really,
because
she has not bad
if
name.
she was from Haryana
She had not
Sir,
any malified
sir,
intention.
if she was from Haryana and Punjab,
Yeah.
she could justify much more rude things as terms of endearment. That is not done once you become a minister.
In every state, it has its own nature. It's had its own culture.
So she said that this is the common language in Bundelkhand. I
Yes.
never realized this will cause me trouble.
That's
here.
right. That's right.
तो थोड़ा सा उनका वो
हाँ,
शिविर लगाना चाहिए आपको. You should train them. And now, sir, now my mischievous question. What will be your one-line advice to Mulayam Singh? And don't just say development. Mulayam Singh, because both have different kind of politics, and you know both of them well. Mulayam Singh, Mayawati, and Rahul Gandhi.
I understand that we should respect all the party leaders.
Right.
But the leaders should also think that whichever they are going to express before the public,
Should be
that
careful.
sentences should be rethinked.
Sir, but will you say, I mean, I'm getting into more specifics, that Mulayam Singh should give more space to Akhilesh than he's giving?
He is giving.
He's giving now.
Yeah, he is
But
giving.
earlier he was
And
not.
Akhilesh is very intelligent. Akhilesh is also trying to plan about Uttar Pradesh, giving this IT in the center.
So he's not a pushover.
I don't
Akhilesh.
think.
And Mayawati, is her politics over?
No, she is the leader of the BSP, and she has its own vote bank.
Sir, why
And she is trying that the people should gradually polarize towards her, because in her regime, the people are thinking that law and order
Much
situation
better.
was better.
Much better. And sir, but why is she so quiet? There must be some reason.
She is quiet. She always kept quiet. She always kept quiet.
She waits.
When she came into the power, then she used to speak everything.
From a piece of paper.
Yes.
And what's your advice to young Rahul?
I think Rahul ji is feeling that Congress is now no more. They are fighting Congress existence. Therefore, they are speaking so many unwanted things. I think that Rahul ji should speak. Rahul ji should criticize, but its size should be positive.
Right. But does Rahul have a future?
In Congress party, he is the vice president, and maybe he is the president.
No, his mother is the president,
And
so it's the
then
same.
maybe
Ah.
in future,
He's the president.
maybe the president. Then future is all right.
Future is all right.
Yes.
Then, sir, finally, you talked about a communication gap, and I can see, and you are now senior enough not to become diplomatic on this, that many senior members feel, particularly in UP, there is a communication gap between the current party leadership and all of you. So, what is your advice to your party president to bridge this communication gap?
Communication gap should be abolished, and it will be when party will organize the programs of workers in different way. Some of the serious workers and who can give the leadership, those type of workers should be organized one part, and second is other. And their communication gap should be avoided, and more and more workers should
And also,
come
besides
to
workers,
the leaders.
You think party will benefit from consulting senior leaders also?
Yeah.
And you are not threatening anybody?
No, not at all. In party, I am not going to threaten anyone. In party, I only want to that informal meetings should be more and more, and communication gap should be avoided.
So nobody should feel insecure.
Nobody is feeling insecure.
हाँ.
And मैं समझता हूँ कि this atmosphere should be widened.
Well, I hope they listen to you, but the place where we are standing,
Yeah.
People don't listen to anybody's advice, particularly good advice. But let us hope there's a change. In fact, I said there is 7 RCR in front of you. There is Indira Gandhi's old memorial to your right. I forgot to mention who's behind your house.
I don't think. I feel that the workers and the people know me very well, and they also feel that which I say I do, and which I am telling you, I think some more will be
Sir,
obeyed.
whether someone else listens or not, I am learning a lot of politics from you. Thank you very much.
Very, very thankful.